Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mika. In this video, I'm gonna try something with you. I tried it once before off camera, but I wasn't wearing that much makeup when I tried this. And this is the cleansing sponge or clean sponge. I have three here. I used this one once, and I have three, and it's from Shein. So this one should be a cleansing sponge. All you need to do is like make it wet, and without doing anything, without adding any like cleanser or any makeup remover, just this sponge only wet with water. You just can clean all over your face, clean your makeup and remove all the makeup from your face with this, only this with water. So I use this one, so I'm gonna try another one with you to do like, because this one is not clean. So I guess I'm gonna try the pink one. I'm gonna wet it and I'm gonna come back, and of course I'm gonna remove my, like, I have false lashes, magnetic lashes on my outer part of my eye, and I will tie my hair up and remove all the makeup with you here for the first time because it's a heavy makeup. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna remove this heavy makeup or not. So it's kind of a like try on camera video. So I really hope it will work. It will be amazing. And this one is pretty cheap. It's from Shein. I got these three here in Egypt, like for 45 pounds. I don't know on the site how much this costs. I'm gonna like write it down here on the screen, or I'm gonna link it in the description box down below if you want to go and check this out to see it. But it's pretty cheap. So like for 45 pounds or 50 pounds, I have three of them, and they are reusable. You just wash them and you can use them again. So yeah, it's a really win if it works. So let's give it a try. So I'm gonna go and with this one and come back to remove my makeup with you. Stay tuned.
Waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my you're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow.
Okay, as you can see, I removed everything. I just need to wash my face, just to make sure it's completely clean. But as you can see, it's a clean. Oh my god. And it really removed Maybelline Superstay. This one, it doesn't come off from my lips no matter what I try to do, especially the dark color. This color here, this color is so dark, just stays on for the next day. I will never be able to remove it before from the first time like this. Oh my god, I am shocked. I'm amazed. I'm so happy too. I have these two colors together above each other from my makeup tutorial. If you hear any noise here, it's my cats. It's everywhere because they clocked in the room for a really long time and they began to scream, so I had to let them out. So if you hear them everywhere, I'm sorry. I have 4 cats and a baby cat, a baby small cat, but still baby. So anyway, back to the video. I'm super happy and super amazed with this, as you can see. Of course, I'm gonna wash it and see if the color, especially the Superstay, will come off from the sponge. But oh my god, I'm so happy. This stuff works. This stuff works, guys. It removed. My lips is completely clean. My lipstick is completely clean. It never happened with the Superstay before. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I really recommend it. And after this, I'm gonna add a picture or a very baby video for this after I clean it, because I don't know if they're gonna come off or not. But even if it's not gonna come off, it'll leave a little bit of colors. It's okay. It's okay. My face is clean and I feel it's clean, it's fresh. So what I'm gonna do now is just clean my face as I usually do, and I'm gonna make sure it's there is no makeup residue, but it looks so clean and I don't have any makeup on. It's gone. I'm happy. I'm happy, and I really recommend these. This stuff works, but guys, these are from Shein. I don't know if for the other brands, but this from Shein, it's really cheap compared to what it does. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So yeah, this is for this video. Okay, as you can see, I just cleaned it and it's clean. It's completely clean. There's nothing in there. Just a little bit of lip cream here. Didn't wanna go, but overall it's so clean and so nice, and it has a lot of makeup on. To be honest, I washed it twice to remove all the makeup from it. So yeah, it's really nice and it's dry and ready to be used again. So yeah, I'm amazed, and this stuff works, guys, and it's so amazing. So yeah, you have to try it. So I really hope you like this try on camera, this cleansing sponge. It's amazing. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.